Assalamu alaikum. Greetings of peace. Eid Mubarak. This is your sister Farina Siddiqui, and this is a very special Eid message for all of us. For all of you who are watching me, please, 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 please pray for Palestine. Please pray for the martyrs in Palestine. Please pray for everybody who is giving away their life for the sake of Al-Aqsa Masjid and to protect their life, their honor, and their lands. Their lands are stolen, and they are our brothers and sisters. We are worried about every single Muslim who are living under oppression. We are worried about them. We pray for them. Palestine, Kashmir, China, Burma, everywhere the Muslims are oppressed, we pray for them. But please, right now, the time is so heavy on Gaza. People of Gaza, they're asking for armies to be sent. They're asking for Allah's Nusra to be sent to them. Please pray for them. That's the least you can do. So please pray for them, and pray for every single Muslim who is going through the turmoils, and do not forget them while you're cheering for your Eid, and when you're looking at your children happily, when you're looking at your friends, your family, everybody. Even during this time of lockdowns during COVID-19, we're rejoicing on Eid. We're celebrating Eid. Think about the people in Gaza. They have the Eid, they had the Eid Salah at Aqsa, and now they're being bombarded. They have airstrikes from Israel, and they are only and only depending on themselves and Allah's help, and they're also depending on our dua. So make dua for them. Don't forget them, and don't forget the poor and the needy during this time. Inshallah, with all our happiness, the food exchange and everything, please make sure that you share your love and share your Eid cheers with the people in need, with the people hungry on street and are poverty ridden. Keep me and my family in your duas, and stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.